This question a common Pakistani poses. Is Russia willing to sell oil on cheap prices and wheat on discounted prices to Pakistan?
Definitely should have some negotiations, and if Pakistan is interested in purchasing the commodities you mentioned, oil or wheat, we gotta have talks and to come to a mutual understanding.
This question a common Pakistani poses. Is Russia willing to sell cheap oil on cheap prices and wheat on discounted prices to Pakistan?
First of all, sir, I would like to say that I am deeply honored to work in Islamabad, and I love this country. I love Pakistani people, and definitely thank you for having me on this program, because I think that we got to have more Russian narrative on the media, since we need some balance in news. Answering your question, sir, I think that we definitely should have some negotiations, and if Pakistan is interested in purchasing the commodities you mentioned, oil or wheat, we gotta have talks and to come to a mutual understanding. So basically, this is a market, and we are for free trade. And I'm not sure that I can say that we are ready to sell at throwaway prices. But what I'm saying is that we got to talk. And as far as I remember, as far as I know, the concerned ministers are already in talks and already in consultations.
Right. Because when Imran Khan was Prime Minister, he went to Russia, 3-hour meeting with President Putin.
Yeah.
And I have seen President Putin is very particular about saying things, and he always means business. He doesn't believe in photo op opportunities. He gets to the point, you know, where the real business is. 3 hours, it reflected that something very serious is being discussed. Yeah. And normally President Putin doesn't spend that much time talking to the foreign dignitaries.
No, definitely, sir. And I'm sure that we are negotiating in good faith, and I'm sure that we can discuss anything under the sun. And if we're talking about oil or wheat, we're open to that. So I don't know the particulars, but I do know that our ministries are in direct touch. We were in direct touch under the previous government of His Excellency Imran Khan, and we are still in direct touch under the present government of Sheikh Baz Sharif, His Excellency Sheikh Baz Sharif. So basically, answering your question, yes, we are ready to sell our commodities at prices which would be mutually beneficial.
आज इनको फंसा दे। बताओ, ऑक्सीजन का क्या फॉर्मूला है?
O2।
इंसानी आंख कितने मेगापिक्सल है?
576 मेगापिक्सल।
अच्छा, वो कौन सा जानदार है जिसकी 5 आंखें हैं?
मक्खी।
किसी भी एंगल से ये नहीं कच्चे, क्योंकि छठी के बच्चे आपसे अच्छे।
सबसे ज्यादा व्यूज, सबसे ज्यादा रील्स और सबसे ज्यादा रेटिंग के साथ बोल अब भी नंबर 1 पोजीशन पर बरकरार।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।